What's going on YouTube? We're back at it doing a little product review on the Magic Strob by Custom Dynamics. Flashing strobes. Pretty simple product here. Not special. Actually by Custom Dynamics. Basically you plug it into the bike where the other stuff is connected, and you get different patterns of strobing. As you can see, I'm trying to focus it, and all you gotta do is just put it in. You got levels 1 through 9, and you got your 2 switches right there. So we're gonna install this real quick and then see how it goes. Alright, so this was a very simple install. You connect the Custom Dynamics and you connect it to the actual harness of the bike. This is the main harness of the bike, and then you get your relay that goes right into the Ciro. Alright, very simple install. Oh, you got the buttons right there so you can mess with the settings, and then you plug it into your bike and then you're all good to go. I'm gonna show you the back to see how it looks like. Alright, so this is the back of the bike, and we're gonna press the brakes and see the rotations on it. Here we go. That's one setting. Do it one more time. So when you hold the brake, it does all that stuff. Alright, so this is the second setting. I don't know which one I like, but let's check it out. It's a little crazier. Not crazier, but you know, slower. Alright, so there you go, Custom Dynamics. Let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Alright, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know your comments which one you like better. Alright, peace. Short video.